Hi, second grade, it's Miss Boyce here. I miss you guys, but look what I found. Dragon Masters, Book 8, War of the Thunder Dragon. So with permission from Scholastic, I will be reading this book to you about a chapter a day. As always, we're going to read the blurb and make some predictions about what's going to happen. Discover the secret of the Dragonstone. The baby lightning dragon has been kidnapped. Layla was taken by Griffith's first Dragon Master, Eco. This powerful enemy wants to kidnap all the dragons in the kingdom. She and her thunder dragon, Naru, attack the castle. In the middle of King Roland's wedding, can Drake and the other Dragon Masters rescue Layla and protect their dragons? Read to find out. Here are the table of contents. So we have Chapter 1, Looking for Layla. Chapter 2, King Roland's Big News. Chapter 3, A Little Help from Magic. Chapter 4, Parade of Dragons. 5, Eco's, I can't read backwards on that one, Eco's Demand. 6, Battle in the Sky. 7, Frozen. 8, What's Now? 9, Eco's Story. 10, Who is Right? 11, King Roland's Demand. 12, A Strong Connection. 13, Rory. 14, Gone. I had to stop and pause the video and think, what do you think might happen in the story? Remember, it doesn't have to be correct, but based off of the blurb and the table of contents, what do you think might happen? Okay, hopefully you paused and made your prediction. We're going to read Chapter 1, Looking for Layla. Layla, Layla! Drake and Carlos called out as they walked through the trees. In front of the two Dragon Masters, a large brown dragon slithered across the path. Behind them, a short, chubby wizard named Diego watched the sky. Together, they were searching for Carlos's dragon, Layla. Carlos had only just met his lightning dragon when something terrible had happened. A woman named Eco flew into Carlos's land 2 days ago, riding a thunder dragon. She kidnapped Layla. Drake's Earth Dragon, Worm, had brought them to an island to look for Eco. Drake looked up at the trees. They were different from the ones at home in the kingdom of Bracken. These trees had long, skinny trunks. Their green ruffled leaves reminded him of feathers. Do you think we'll find her here? Drake asked Diego. Maybe, the wizard replied. Griffith's gazing ball showed Eco on an island, a lot like this one. Griffith, another wise wizard, was Diego's friend and Drake's teacher. Kee, kee! Drake heard a cry. He looked up to see a brightly colored bird fly across the blue sky. This would be a nice place to hide out, Drake said. But I still don't understand why Eco kidnapped Layla. She's a Dragon Master, just like me. Diego frowned. As you know, Griffith teaches young Dragon Masters how to work with their dragons. Eco was his first student. She and Griffith often argued, he replied. About what? Drake asked. Eco did not want to follow Griffith's rules, Diego replied. And one day, many years ago, she left Bracken. She took her thunder dragon, Naru, with her. Did you go after her? Drake asked. Yes, Diego replied. But Griffith and I could not find Eco or her dragon. We have not seen them since, until 2 days ago. Carlos had been quiet for a while. Now the dark-haired boy turned to Diego. Do you think we will find Eco and Naru now? He asked. Diego nodded. There are more of us looking for them this time, he said. Other Dragon Masters were out searching. Bo and his water dragon, Shu, Anne and her sun dragon, Capri, Rory and her fire dragon, Vulcan, and Petra and her poison dragon, Zira. Griffith was in Bracken, watching over them with his gazing ball. I just hope that Lalo is safe, Carlos said. Drake walked up to Worm. His dragon had tiny wings, but he couldn't fly. He didn't need to. Worm could use the powers of his mind to travel anywhere. Worm, I know you can sometimes use your mind powers to hear other dragons, Drake said. Do you hear Lalo? Worm shook his head. Then his eyes suddenly flashed green. What is it? Drake asked. Every dragon master wore a piece of the dragonstone that connected them to their dragons. Now, Drake's dragonstone glowed green. Worm looked up. The sky turned black. A strong wind whipped up. A jagged streak of lightning flashed. That could be Lalo's lightning, Carlos cried. Then, boom, thunder crashed. Lightning flashed again. This time it hit the ground, next to them, sizzling. This is a dangerous storm, Diego yelled over the roaring wind. We must go! He touched Worm. The boys did the same. Before the next bolt of lightning flashed, they all disappeared. Tomorrow, tune in for Chapter 2, King Roland's Big News. What do you think King Roland's big news might be? Remember our chapters? I'll pause there. What do you think King Roland's news could be? I want you to think about that. See you tomorrow.